Come on, Trey. Yes. You can do it. Hello guys. So after so many days I'm back with another vlog. So welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So right now the time is around 9:20 in the morning, and the plan is to go to see one beautiful waterfall. So without wasting any more time, let's roll the bikes. Okay, so guys, a very happy new year. I know that I'm late, but आज साल का पहला व्लॉग है. So आज कुछ तूफानी करते हैं. Now I'm going to fuel up my bike. There is one petrol pump over here. So just now I fueled up my bike and I'm good to go. As always, my cousin Troy will be joining me. So he is coming with his Beast Duke 250, and I'm going with my Beast today. So we are going in Valpoi because there is one beautiful waterfall over there. Actually, we were supposed to go somewhere else, but at the end Troy changed the plan. So yeah, let's see how is the place. Guys, I'm extremely sorry for not uploading any vlog all these days because I was very busy in my work. So now I will try to upload more vlogs. So do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. After so much of hassle I found Troy because from so long I was trying to call him, but today there is issue with the Idea and Waterfall network, so couldn't find him. And right now he is behind me coming with his bike. Okay, so guys, there is one check post over here, and they are charging per person 100 rupees and for bikes 50 rupees. So please note, before it was 20 rupees, but from this year they have increased the rate to 100 rupees. And on the way they are charging more 30 rupees to park your bikes. Per bike 30 rupees, so we have to pay 60. पैसे आने किती जाय आणि ट्राय थिंग एक मुखार आनी एक टेबल घालून बसल्या बरें दिसत म्हाका. तुमगे बायकचो बाब बसले म्हूण सांगपाचें. Oh my god, water crossing also. This is fully off-roading, man. Oh my god, look at this, guys. There are so many bikes over here. Finally we made it, guys. As you can see, there are so many bikes over here. And now we have to
left side लेना, right में चले जाना, wrong रास्ते जाओगे.
Now we have to walk for
आगे left
2 hours.
वो वे जाएगा, ऊपर मत जाना, wrong है, left जाना. Take some food and go. Yeah.
Thank you. चल रहा. ट्रॉय तुम्हें बरें काम केलां तुका एक हेल्मेट घालूंक हांगा साकून लेफ्ट मारपाचें Just look at this rock. Troy is all set for the trekking. Trekking mode on. I'm totally exhausted. Come on, Trey. Yes, you can do it. Another 45 minutes to go. Oh my God. I don't know. कितना बहुत ले आणि कितना येतले आम्ही पोचून. कितना टाइम रे? It takes 1.5 hours to reach near the waterfall. Go there, no, just stand. One extra, no.
나안가 기원 성내 성크라서
बोर्ड जाई मुकार बरोस पापा ना आउंती
very slippery हो गया. तो ज़्यादा सोला को
We did some coast trail for this hiking. Guys,
it's very slippery over here. You guys are coming here, please wear your spikes or trekking shoes. Nalar slips down to me direct mouthly Chandrar. Oh my God. Guys, we have reached near one waterfall, but this is not the one. But this is also good. Those guys were saying that it's only 1.5 hours, but I think it's been 2 hours since we are walking. Oh my God. I think 5 more minutes to go. I can hear the noise. Right?
exhausted.
Troy. Paule. See, from here you can see the waterfall. Come guys. फाइनली वी मेड इट गाइस, और इतनी खुशी सी guys want to see the view, just look at the view.
Say your voice notes, baby, but you never answer. Cause I was here with the others. Ooh, I put those are when you really love me, but those times were really far away. Ooh, you te amo, pero no respondes. Nothing that you don't care, and I still wonder. Yo te amo, pero no respondes. Nothing that you don't care, and I still wonder. Baby, but you never answer. Cause I was here with the others. Ooh, I put those are when you really love me, but those times were really far away.
Chalo guys, it's time to say goodbye to this beautiful place. It was really worth it to come over here, but it takes almost 2 hours to come. That's it for today guys. I hope you guys like this vlog, and if you did, then please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye, take care, moga soon.
Cause I was here with the others. Ooh.
गाइज, एक बड़े डब्ल्यू के नीचे खजाना छुपा था. इधर डब्ल्यू तो नहीं है, लेकिन उल्टा एन है. देखता हूँ खजाना किधर है इधर.